never done this. Can we try?
Can you sort out a Rubik's?
Yeah.
You only need one. That's it. We didn't even bring a cart in. Sorry.
We're never doing Nerf. It's a gun.
Yeah.
Can't use it.
No guns. Hey Noah.
Hi, Mommy.
What have you got in your hand?
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's
The
Cube.
original.
Ding 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 ding.
Let's open it.
Yep.
I'm trying to type in it and then take the cube out.
Let me see.
It's really hard to like this.
I know why. It's a double box. It's good.
Why is it a double box?
There you go.
So you're
Oh, it's got the stand for it in there.
the stand,
Yeah. The Rubik's stand.
and it also has a box. And it also has a box.
There.
So this is a
No, I think you do it like that. It's stay
and you're trying to match it.
Yeah, so mix it up and you try to put it back together. Let's see. Okay. Now try to put it together.
I'm gonna go for green. Wait, actually, yellow. This is so hard because I don't know how I did it. Guys, this is gonna be hard. Actually, going. I don't know what to go for because the Rubik's.
Well, once you put one together, I think they all should come together. So once you put the blue side together, all the other pieces should line up.
How did I mix all these colors?
Easy to mix, but hard to fix it up again, isn't it?
Really? How can I put this together?
Well, try. You've done, how many greens have you lined up? Oh, and you've mixed it up again.
How do I get this green back here? Ugh, it's so hard. It's just so hard.
Turn it all the way to where it is. What? Even worse. Let me see.
I'm trying to do the blue. I'm trying to do the blue, but one blue is just here. But I don't know how to do it. How are you doing this? This is a weird way to do the blue thing. Why is there a stand right here? We can just hold it.
Goodness me.
How does that mix it up?
Why did you buy this again?
Because I actually watched the ad about it.
No, why did you buy it? That's my
I
question.
didn't buy it because
You bought it. It's your money. You saved it. Not me. It's got nothing to do with me. I only took you. I only took you to the shops. And you mixed it up all right. Yeah, you did a good job mixing it up.
what? How do I do it? How did I mix everything up?
I don't know. Goodness me, I've mixed it even more.
What is going on with that? What That's even more mixed up. It's like a jalapeno with all the stuff from the world mixed up with the jalapeno.
Oh my goodness. Here, take. I give up. Well, we know what it is. The Rubik's cannot be cured. The Rubik's cannot be cured.
The Rubik's
It cannot be cured.
is bad.
No, it's not. We're bad.
No, it's bad. Go away, Rubik's.
Don't chuck it away. Bring it.
It's so hard.
Well, you can learn. You can watch more videos and learn how to fix it. All right, guys. Now, how much you gonna rate the Rubik's?
A 0.
No, it's not a 0. Just because you can't fix it, your Rubik's cannot be cured. It doesn't. Just because you can't get the Rubik's to cure doesn't mean that it's bad.
It is bad. Look what I made. It's sandwich.
Rubik's sandwich. It should be called Rubik's burger. All right. Say bye, guys. Oh, you give it a 0. I give it an 8, even though we can't put it together. But I like the colors it's got. So, was that a yawn? You hungry? Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. And look at that face. Yeah.